Welcome back to Car TV, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into something big, bold, and absolutely legendary. It's the return of an icon, the 2025 Hummer H2. This beast is back, and it's meaner, greener, and more powerful than ever. If you're a fan of massive SUVs with military-grade presence, stay tuned, because this one is going to blow your mind. The Hummer name has always been associated with ruggedness and dominance, and the new H2 continues that legacy while embracing modern technology and sustainability. Unlike the gas-guzzling H2 of the past, the 2025 model strikes a perfect balance between raw power and eco-conscious engineering. Let's start with what's under the hood. The new H2 is powered by a cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain, packing a mind-blowing 800 horsepower. That's right, no more V8 growl, but what you get instead is instant torque, lightning-fast acceleration, and zero emissions. With a range of around 400 miles on a single charge, the 2025 Hummer H2 is not just a powerhouse but also practical for long hauls and off-road adventures. Speaking of off-roading, this machine is built to conquer any terrain. It features GM's revolutionary CrabWalk mode, allowing it to move diagonally, making tight trails and rocky climbs a breeze. Adaptive air suspension raises and lowers the H2 for maximum ground clearance, while massive 35-inch all-terrain tires ensure you stay planted no matter where you go. And yes, it's still as tough as ever, with a reinforced steel body and skid plates to protect vital components. Now, let's talk about design. The 2025 Hummer H2 stays true to its roots with a bold, boxy silhouette, aggressive stance, and signature LED light bar up front. The iconic 7-slot grille is now fully illuminated, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Hummer look. From the side, the massive wheel arches, squared-off fenders, and rugged details make sure no one mistakes it for anything else. And for those who love open-air driving, the infinity roof with removable sky panels lets you enjoy the great outdoors like never before. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with military-grade durability. Premium leather, high-tech displays, and customizable ambient lighting set the tone for a futuristic driving experience. A massive 15-inch infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, running GM's latest software with seamless connectivity, navigation, and off-road telemetry. The driver's display provides real-time vehicle diagnostics, including tire pressure, torque distribution, and energy consumption. Safety and driver assistance are top-notch, with features like Super Cruise hands-free driving, surround view cameras, and autonomous emergency braking. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling extreme trails, the H2 has your back with cutting-edge technology. So, who is this for? If you crave an unstoppable SUV with insane power, off-road prowess, and modern luxury, the 2025 Hummer H2 is calling your name. It's a legendary nameplate reborn for the future, delivering everything we loved about the original H2 while embracing the electric revolution. What do you think about the all-new Hummer H2? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching Car TV, and we'll see you in the next one.